Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure your CCTV camera and NVR/DVR explicitly support audio. Once confirmed, identify the physical audio port. RCA is common. Some use 3, 5 mm. You want to inspect both camera and recorder so you know which cable to use and where to plug it in. Make sure to power down both devices before connecting to prevent noise and shorts. After that, gather a shielded audio cable and any required adapters so you're ready for the wiring step. Now you route the shielded cable from the camera's mic output to the recorder's audio input, keeping runs away from power lines to reduce interference. Once connected, attach any ground wires and fit adapters if your camera uses a different connector or signal level. This keeps levels matched and prevents distortion. Next, power the system and enter the recorder's menu to enable the corresponding audio input channel. Make sure to adjust input gain to avoid clipping, while preserving clear voice or ambient sound. Finally, you test by recording a short clip while speaking near the mic to verify clarity and background noise. Once done, replay and adjust gain or mic placement to balance loudness and reduce hiss, reposition, or add shielding if hum appears. Make sure to save configuration changes in the recorder. If you get no sound, check connectors, ensure the audio channel is enabled, and verify firmware compatibility. A quick troubleshooting tip: swap in a known working cable or mic to isolate whether the issue is hardware or settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.